Gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing okay. In today's video, I wanted to discuss the concept of hypergamy and how a lot of guys are very scared of getting into a relationship through the fear of women leaving them for a better man, or indeed that there are men in relationships who have the same fear. Now today, I wanted to draw from some of my personal experiences and some of the lessons that I have learned, but also I wanted to bring forward a couple of mindset shifts that I think are going to eliminate some of that anxiety that you have around relationships and allow you to feel more confident within the courtship stage of a relationship, so pre-relationship, and actually within a relationship. So look, without further ado, I'll jump straight into it. First and foremost, guys, you have to accept that if a woman leaves you, that's it. That's it. If somebody wants to go and somebody doesn't want to be with you anymore, then you have to take a step back and allow them to go. You should be so confident in yourself and what you have to offer that if someone wants to walk out of your life, you simply stand back and say, okay, I wish you the best of luck. Not convincing people to stay. When you try and force down somebody's throat something that they're not interested in, it has the opposite effect. Imagine a scenario where you are actually begging somebody to keep you in their life. Imagine a scenario where you're actually speaking to a woman and you are saying to her, please don't leave me. Please stay with me. Here's why you should stay with me. Reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, reason number 4. And although you may feel like you are justifying and building your case, all you're really doing is reaffirming in her mind that she made the right decision. She's losing respect for you on the spot. And you might not realize it yet, but you're losing respect for yourself. You have to realize that you are a catch. You have to realize that, as long as you are working hard and putting in the effort to improve yourself, you deserve somebody loyal. And look, if it's not that person, then it's not that person. One of the main mindset shifts that I've learned over time is that if they want to go, they can go. You mustn't ask people to stay in your life. You mustn't try and convince people that you are valuable and that you're going to be good for them. You know that. You don't need to convince anybody. You only want people in your life who are certain about you, just the same way you are certain about yourself. So, although maybe there is some pain when somebody walks out of your life, you've got to develop the mindset that if they're going to go, they can go. You believe in you. You believe in your future. If they don't, that's fine. Somebody else will. And you'll give somebody else what you would have given them. Instead of worrying and stressing and getting yourself worked up if you're in a relationship. Oh, is she going to leave me? Is she going to find somebody better? Well, if she walks out on you, that wasn't your woman anyway. If she walks out on you, that wasn't your woman anyway. Really, it's a blessing in disguise. At the moment, at the time, it doesn't feel great. You feel surprised, but hey, that wasn't your woman. Another woman is meant for you, and it's just a matter of time for them to present themselves to you. But that woman leaving you, if she does, has actually done you a favor because you were with somebody that hadn't really bought into you. And again, as I said, you must develop the mindset that you only want to be around people that are fully bought into you. And this extends from relationships to friendships. This is the same with family. It's a bit of a mixed message here. It's not just about relationships. If you've got family members that are bringing you down, that don't treat you with respect, that don't see value in you, that don't make you feel good, then cut them off as well. You don't want to be hanging with people that are bringing you down. You don't want to be with people that don't really believe in you the same way you believe in you. I feel like a lot of guys are very anxious about this. They are overthinking the idea that they may be left for somebody else. And look, I say so be it. If she wants to go, open the door for her. Be respectful. Be kind. Always present yourself in a professional way, I would say. It's no good at the end of a relationship to become angry and suddenly snap and turn, because that just really taints your image, and it doesn't make you look good. And when you're hyper emotional as a guy, it's very unattractive, and it can damage your reputation over a long period of time. So look, if you're finding that women are walking away from you, or you feel like she's going to leave you, simply let her go. Be respectful, say your goodbyes respectfully, and open the door. If they want to stay, stay. If they don't, okay. This is the mindset you have to develop, because you're wasting too much time, and this energy can really drain you. You know, if you're sat there thinking about this sort of stuff and you have these anxieties, these rumblings inside of you, instead, guys, you must develop the mindset that if somebody wants to walk out of your life, you let them go. If somebody wants to go and find somebody else, fine, go for it. You must have true confidence in you that you are the best, that you are number one, that you are the best option for that person. You have to fully believe that. Even if on paper somebody's got a nicer car than you, somebody's got more money than you, somebody has more material possessions than you, it doesn't matter. If you truly believe that you are the best and you are the best option for anybody that chooses to share their life and time with you, then it shouldn't matter what material possessions or what prospects another man has. This is where we start to get into a weird space within self-improvement and self-worth and the way that we look at ourselves as men. Yes, we want to chase money. Yes, we want to have nice things, but ultimately that doesn't make us the man that we are. It is our authenticity. It is our strength. It is our courage. It is our discipline. It is our kindness. It is our ability to be charitable. These sorts of things. Yes, the money's important. I'm not saying go on the flip side and don't try and get yourself some money. Go and get yourself some money. Go and become as successful as you possibly can. But if you are dealing with women that you think might leave you over monetary things, such as money, such as cars, such as material possessions, then I would say to you, you're dealing with the wrong type of woman. Because if you want to build something special and one day have a family, these are not the type of women that are compatible with that. So in some senses, if you ever get left for a woman that wants to go and spend time with another guy because he's got a nice car, because he's got more money than you, that is a blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise, because that would have brought you down at some point or another down the line. What I'm saying in this video, guys, is that, look, don't care if somebody walks out of your life. They didn't believe in you. They didn't believe in your value. They didn't believe that having you in their life served them better. Okay, that's their mistake. You're going to carry on doing exactly what you're doing. You're going to carry on trying to make a difference in the world. You're going to carry on trying to be the best friend, the best son, the best cousin, the best brother that you can possibly be, the best partner that you can possibly be. And you're going to carry on doing you. And somebody down the line is going to see that. Somebody is going to appreciate that. The right woman will find you. It's just a matter of time. So, look, I know a lot of guys in the red pill space and on the self-improvement space will really get you feeling anxious about this sort of topic. And they'll tell you that you need to be constantly leveling up, otherwise she's going to leave you. And the reality is the right woman won't leave you. If you are trying to be better and you are trying to be a good man, the right woman's not going to leave you. The wrong women, they might leave you. These guys have got a great point. If you're messing around with the wrong women, they might leave you. They might decide that they want to go with the guy with more money, or they go with the guy with more prospects in the more immediate future relating to business and finances. But the woman that truly loves you and supports you is not going to leave you. So long as you're not acting like a bum, so long as you're not sitting on your ass all day doing nothing and showing no ambition and showing no real sense of self-worth and pride in yourself, that's completely different. If you're acting like that and you're acting that way and you're not doing anything to further yourself, you deserve to be left. What's in it for her? Why is she investing in you if you're not even investing in yourself? That's a different story. But if you are trying to improve and you are trying to grow and level up, and, you know, gradually making progress and trying to be a good man, fundamentally trying to be a good man, a woman is not going to reward you by dumping your ass and leaving you on the floor with nothing. That's just not going to happen. Not the right woman. The wrong women, they might do that. But the right women, they're not going to do that. So ditch the anxieties and look, remember what I said. If people want to walk out of your life, let them go. You understand your value. If somebody else doesn't understand your value, then that's on them. The right person, the right woman, will understand your value, and she will be there for the long run. These women that don't understand your value and chase monetary things and chase men with more immediate financial prospects, in the long run, they're not going to be in fulfilled, happy relationships. But you and the woman that truly respects and admires you, when the time is right, will have that happy relationship, will have that happy life, and subsequently will maybe have a great family one day. So think about things in the long run. Allow people to go if they want to go. Always be respectful. Always maintain your class and your good character. But ultimately, don't give these thoughts too much weight. If someone wants to leave your life, good. If they don't see the value and they don't see what you're building, it's on them. You keep doing you, you keep improving, you keep leveling up, you keep trying to be the best man that you can possibly be. If somebody doesn't see all of that and somebody doesn't appreciate you for that, it's not a loss. It's good that they're not in your life. Look guys, if you took some value from this video today, make sure to smash the like button. Comment your thoughts down below. I'd be really interested to hear what you got to say. What's your story? And look guys, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my channel for much more from me. This channel is growing quick and I want you to be a part of the journey. It really helps me out if you subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.